How to force uninstall application software on Windows PC. If your application software is not starting or not working properly, in this case, you want to uninstall your application software for reinstall or upgrade purpose, and you are trying to uninstall your software but you are not able to uninstall your application software on your PC. In this video, I'm going to fix this problem. You must watch the entire video. How will I do this? Hello friends, I'm Prajan Rai and welcome to Mission Top Tech. So without any late, let's get started. Okay, you can see here, this is my computer screen and I have installed Adobe Photoshop CS5 version on my computer. Now I'm trying to open my application software but it's not opening, as you can see. And I'm going to right click on the Adobe Photoshop icon and click on the uninstall options. And here I searching the Adobe Photoshop CS5 version in the list of installed application software, but not showing the name of the software right here. But this software was already installed on my computer and I was running it, but after some time this software stopped running on my computer. So I want to remove this software and install new software to run it. So I'm going to remove my software from this computer. And also I would like to show you the proof that this Adobe Photoshop software is installed on my computer. To find out the data of Adobe Photoshop, I'm going to right click on the Adobe Photoshop software icon and drag the pointer on more and click on the open file location. You can see here are the icons of the install software, and I'm going to C drive and open program files and go to the Adobe folder. Okay, as you can see, this is a folder of Adobe Photoshop CS5 software, and now open this folder and here are the all program files of Adobe Photoshop. To uninstall this damaged software, we need to download Force Uninstaller Utility software on PC. So now I'm going to open Chrome browser, and today I'm using IOBit Uninstaller Utility software to force uninstall the Adobe Photoshop CS5 version. So now I'm going to input the keywords IOBit Uninstaller 2.4 download and press enter. I go to the first link. You can download it from any server. So here I'm going to click on the download button and click on save. After successfully downloading, I go to the file location and open it. Okay, it's asking for an update on this IOBit uninstaller software. But here we don't click on the yes button. We must click on the no to stay with the exciting version of IOBit uninstaller. Here is also not showing the Adobe Photoshop CS5. So I go to more and click on the forced uninstall options. Okay. Now we need to choose the file path where Photoshop was exactly installed. So I click here, browse button, and then go to C drive and open program files and go to Adobe folder and open Adobe Photoshop CS5 folder and scroll down and click on photoshop.exe file and then click on open button. Now we need to wait for the moment that completes the creating restore point. Okay, after completing the created restore point, now I am clicking here on the powerful scan button and wait for a moment. And after completing the powerful scanning, I'm going to select all and click on the delete button and click yes. and wait for a little bit. And now click on OK, and I'm going to the start button, but still Adobe Photoshop icon is not gone. So now I'm going to back to the Adobe folder and delete the Adobe Photoshop CS5 folder, and then I come back to C drive and open the program files x86 folder, and I'm going to the Adobe folder. Okay, here are also remain installed program files in this folder. So I'm going back to IOBit uninstaller software, and I'm going to do force uninstall process and delete the installed program files x86 folder as well. And now open the start menu, then right click on the Adobe Photoshop icon and go to more and click on open file location. Okay, now I'm going to delete these two files of Adobe Photoshop program icons from here. Okay, finally Photoshop software has been successfully uninstalled from my PC. Now we can reinstall Adobe Photoshop or other any software using this method if you completely follow my steps. I hope you understand this video and helpful for you. And if you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and set to all. I will meet with another useful content like this. Till the next video, bye bye. Namaste.